Today we will discuss about a very important accounting concept, that is accrual concept of accounting. It seems this concept is very much confusing to a lot of students. So let's have an in-depth analysis about what is accrual concept of accounting means. We know that the basis of accounting can be divided into two types, cash basis and accrual basis. So cash basis considered cash transactions and accrual basis considered credit transactions also. So basically accrual concept says that we will consider not only cash, the credit transactions also. For example, the income. So income depend upon the sales. So sales can take place in two ways, cash sale, credit sales. So in cash sale, the cash received, and in credit sale, cash receivable. So now we will see the differences. In the cash concept, it will consider only the cash received, whereas the accrual concept considers the cash receivable also. And that is called accrued income. The same thing happens in case of the expenses. The expenses, the payables, paid arises out of the cash transactions, cash purchase, and payable arises out of the credit purchase. So that is called outstanding expenses. That is expenses paid, and that is payable. So here also we see that the cash concept considers only the expenses paid, whereas the accrual concept considers expenses payable, which is called outstanding expenses. So it is said that the cash basis of accounting does not show the true financial position or true financial results. Only the accrual concept of accounting shows the true financial results of the business. You know why? Because the credit transaction is one of the very much important part of the accounts. We can't expect that at all the time the transaction taken place in the business will take place in terms of the cash. So cash transaction as well as credit transaction, both are very much important. The company will always focus on both because company have to focus on the sales. In cash sales, if the sales is low, the company will start to allow credit sales. Why? In order to increase the sales so that it can increase the income, so that it can increase the profit also. So we can't deny credit transactions in the business. When there is a business, there will be credit transaction. But the cash basis of accounting does not consider credit transaction. Only accrual concept of accounting consider credit transactions. And from credit transaction, we are getting is two new accounting terms. That is very much important. One is what? One is accrued income, the income which is earned but not yet received, and another outstanding expenses. Outstanding expenses means what? The expenses which are already incurred in the business but not yet paid. And that all are coming according to the accrual concept of accounting, and we have to follow while we prepare the books of the accounts so that we can make a right accounting process and we can make a proper books of the accounts so that it will show the true financial position of the business. That's all about the accrual concept of accounting.